George Washington's acceptance of command transformed a rebellion into an army, giving the colonies unity, leadership, and a fighting chance at independence. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In 1775, George Washington took command of a ragged force outside Boston, farmers, laborers, and volunteers calling themselves the Continental Army. They lacked uniforms, training, pay, and discipline. Desertion was constant. Supplies were scarce. Washington's first battle was not the British, but chaos. Defeats followed. New York fell. Retreat after retreat scarred the army. Critics called Washington slow, cautious. Some demanded his removal. But Washington understood survival mattered more than glory. If the army lived, the revolution lived, even if victory had to wait. In December 1776, Washington struck back, crossing the icy Delaware to surprise Hessian forces at Trenton and restore hope. Valley Forge tested everything: hunger, cold, doubt. Yet Washington stayed, binding the army together through sheer resolve. Years later, with French support, Washington trapped the British at Yorktown, forcing surrender and ending the war. In 1783, Washington resigned his command and went home. He didn't seize power, he surrendered it, and in doing so, secured the Republic.